pretty lucky. I just set my phone up and hit record at the right time. You can tell it's coming because I was during work. My phone kept going off with severe thunderstorm watch and warnings.
The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Littlestown, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover, Gettysburg, Hampton, Littlestown, McPherrystown, Lake Mead, Bonneville, New Oxford, East Berlin, Lake Heritage, Abbottstown, and Heidlersburg. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Adams, Pennsylvania.